Good morning. So in today we've got this beautiful Focus ST in for our ceramic pack. What we're going to do now is take you through the process of how we do our ceramics. Start off by getting the hoovering done on the inside. So with the hoovering all done, we're just done with some of the finer details. We've done the plastic wipe down, but we'd like to get in there, clean the vents, knock all the dust out, so it's just perfect. With the interior all boxed off, glass cleaned, mats all done and striped, that's it for the interior. We're on to the engine bay. So now we've finished the interior, our next step is that we move into the engine bay before we jump onto the wheels. So we're just going to give this a little tickle with some all-purpose cleaner, watching the delicate areas, and then we're just going to do some brush work to agitate the dirt and get it looking nice. Right, the engine bay all done, rest, and now we're just drying it off. So what we're doing here is just deep cleaning the arches with our turbo nozzle, because they've got fibres inside the arches. We like to get in there, give them a proper deep clean before we take it in the booth and take the wheels off, just to knock all the dirt off so it's spotless. So with the arches all cleaned, we're going to go straight in next, get all the real dirty stuff done, get the wheels done, clean behind the spokes to give them a good clean before we take them off and do the barrels later. So here we go after that, then Blake's just going in with the tyre and glue remover to loosen up all those deposits around the car. So now what we're on with is stuff called iron fallout remover, which is another chemical decontamination process, and this basically lifts all the iron particles that your car picks up, and we can rinse off and remove them safely. So that we know that the fallout remover is working, because once it engages with the iron particles it turns purple, and as we can see here it's all starting to turn purple, so we know it's lifting those particles off the car safely for us to rinse off. Okay, so iron fallout remover has been taken away. Now we're on with the snow foam process so we can get on with our contact wash. So here what we're doing is what we call clay barring, which is a mechanical decontamination. And as you can see, we're using this soft clay, and it picks up all the tar particles that are left on the vehicle, so it doesn't get into our pads when we start polishing. So the car is now in the booth. It's had full chemical decontamination, mechanical decontamination, washed, prepped. So next we're going to take the wheels off, get it up in the air, and then we can start polishing it in preparation for the ceramic coating later on today. So we've got the wheels off now. They go onto our wheel rolling machine, where we can get full access around the whole wheel, clean it right up inside the barrel and on the face, and then we ceramic coat it, barrels and the faces, with our 7-year ceramic coating. So here you can see we're just finessing the stainless steel exhaust pipes. We've got some aviation stainless steel polish. It really does bring this up nice. Now we're just applying our ceramic coating, which is the final touch on the vehicle, and that goes on like so, and you can just see it in there going on. We'll leave that for a few seconds to flash, and then we'll buff it, level it, and then buff it off. So that's it for another ceramic coating. This beautiful Focus ST Cosworth tuned engine is now fully protected and looking amazing. So really pleased. I hope you've enjoyed what I've showed you today. If you are interested in purchasing any of the products that we've used during the making of this video, check out the link in the description, cleanyourcar.co.uk, and you can pick yourself up a discount while you're there. What a car.